Rolando, just your thoughts going to the match tomorrow with Anthony.
Thank you, Sister Angie, and good afternoon to all the media houses. Hey, it's another 90 minutes, which requires us to turn things around. It's going to be a tough game. We can't run away from the fact that chasing 2 goals against Orlando Pirates is not going to be an easy task. But I think these are challenges that made us or makes us strong. So I think we need to take the challenge and try our level best to improve on certain aspects of our game, so that we can at least get to a level where after the game we'll also be proud of our efforts.